Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my skincare routine for oily skin, which I do once a week. First of all, I use a sebum remover I bought on Amazon to suck out my blackheads and the sebum from my skin. It's very effective even though it can be painful for some people. Personally, I'm fine with it, but it makes my skin very red. Secondly, I use an eyebrow razor to remove the fuzz on my face. First, I apply aloe vera gel. This technique makes it smoother and helps the product to penetrate the skin better. Makeup looks better too. Once I've finished, I rinse my face with Tobacco's coconut extract cleansing gel. I think that it cleanses my skin really well and removes all the oil at the end of the day. It foams up a lot, so you don't need to use a lot of it. Then I use a grapefruit scrub from G9 Skin. It's a mild peeling and the sensation is really pleasant. It's not a scrub like the others with grains, it's applied on dry or slightly damp skin and it really removes dead skin. It's incredible. I use the Bye Bye Blackhead mask from Some By Me. It's a foaming mask that you leave on for a few minutes, then massage in and rinse off. It's one of the products where you can see an effect immediately after using it. My pores are much less visible immediately afterwards. It's amazing. For my lips, I just apply hyaluronic acid in the evening for a moisturizing and plumping effect. As for my daily routine, in the morning I use a vitamin C toner from Jumiso and a pine serum from 9 Wishes. Then I apply a soothing cream with centella from Skin 104. And lastly, I apply a sun protection from Beauty of Joseon. And that's it. That's the end of my skincare routine, which I've been doing for a few months now. Even though my skin is still a bit oily, I've noticed a big improvement, especially in my complexion and its evenness. It's probably the best routine I have ever had. That's the end of the video. See you soon!
Tell me one thing, I don't